Hey guys, I'm Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with the 2-minute drill, here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. And what a week of trading it was. The snipers are back on track like we never left. Unfortunately, last week we had to talk about our first red week all year. All 2020, we talked about our first red week from Monday to Monday. Now we are getting right back on track, starting with another green week and getting back on that green streak, going 4 for 5 this week and making just over $1,500. So just like we said last time, you just have to stick to the sniper plan and stick to cutting your losses, and everything will always work out. Because even though we had our first red week in 41 straight green weeks, we were able to get right back on track this week. And the overall market followed along with us. It looked like it got some signs of life after the Dow Jones was able to cross back above 28,000, opening at 27,825, having 4 green days and only 1 red day this week. It closed up 600 plus points from the beginning of the week at 28,440. So a great sign in the market. But there was a lot going on in Sniperville as we averaged 1 trade a day, so let's dive in. It all started on Monday morning. We took OTC stock CYDY over the weekend because this worked out for us in the past, and it was lining up with the first green day, which is a sniper pattern. Unfortunately, when we woke up on Monday morning, it did not get the huge gap that we wanted, and we wanted to see a big push past $3. But it didn't get that push. So we decided to take our position at $3 on Friday and just sell it right in the morning for pretty much a scratch at $3.05, making only 2% and $99, but sticking to the #1 rule of cutting losses. And why we do that? Because in next stock we talk about our only loss of the week, and we were able to keep the losses minimal here, and that's why our profits were so high this week. The next stock I'm going to talk about is OTC stock LIAC that recently just broke over $1 spot and was looking like it was going to change momentums. So we bought it way at the end of the day on Monday at $1.13, looking for a gap up and for it to continue to push past that dollar. And when we woke up on Tag a Bag Tuesday, it did not gap up the way we wanted, so we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting losses and got out at 110, only losing $160 and 3%. So keep that in mind. The biggest loss was only a 3% loss. And we did not put the sniper down. Unfortunately, we were not able to catch the skyrocketing jump in OPTI. This is a stock we made money off before, and it created a nice first green day on Tuesday afternoon. We had it on the Power Hour Sniper Scope, but thought it was up too much and said we'd take a dip in the morning if that happens. And on Wednesday morning, it actually gapped up like crazy, and this is why we love the OTC market. The stock was just at 0.02 on Tuesday, and on Wednesday it got all the way to 649. That's 300% on your money. But we did not catch that move. But it's all about being prepared for when the next move is gonna come, and that was with this same stock. You can't sit there and beat yourself up for not being a part of it. You just gotta be prepared for another situation. Because after the stock skyrocketed to 649, it actually became a panic dip buy, in which we thought was going to happen earlier that morning, and came all the way down back to the 3 cent area. When it got below 3.5, we were interested in dip buying it, and we got filled at 323 looking for that bounce on Wednesday. It instantly got that bounce, a little slower than most dip buys, but we still got a 13% bounce, getting out at 365, gladly taking just under $500 in profit. And that happened within minutes. And that's what a dip buy is all about. And on Wednesday afternoon, we did not give up. We were feeling hot, and we found another stock that we won on the last 2 weeks. So why not give it another try? And that's OTC penny stock MMEDF, as it was coming up to a multi-month high. This is a new sector we talked in the last 2 reviews. This is a psychedelic sector, but we don't like it because of that. We like it because it's breaking out of multi-month highs. So we bought it at the end of the day at 816, looking for it to continue the next day, and on Thursday we woke up to a bag, making 10% and getting out just at 90 cents, 8.99, and making just over $800. And now we are over $1,000 profit on the week. And that day was a great day because one of our favorite sectors started to heat back up, the cannabis sector, after the vice president debate happened on Wednesday, and the Democratic vice president candidate Kamala Harris actually ended the debate telling people that she would decriminalize marijuana, and that made the cannabis sector boom come Thursday. So we were into our favorite sector, keeping our eyes and watching every cannabis sector out there. And it's led by CGC and Tilray. So always keep an eye on those two, and usually the OTC stocks follow along. And that's what happened here on Thursday, as we bought two OTC cannabis stocks, both starting with the letter C, looking for them both to gap up with the continuous of the good sector momentum in cannabis. The first one was Cresco Labs, an Illinois-based company, CRLBF, and we bought the stock at $6.71, looking for it to continue with the cannabis sector hype. And the second one was one of our old friends, a stock we actually used to buy back in the $10, Charlotte's Web CBD, CWBHF. And we bought the stock as it was creating a nice first green day at $2.87, looking for a nice push and a gap up just like Cresco Labs. And we got a push and exactly what we were looking for, and both stocks come Short Squeeze Friday. On Short Squeeze Fridays, Canopy Growth was able to push itself, giving life to both these stocks. And we were able to sell our Cresco Labs in the $7 area at $7.01 for only 5%, but this is a slower moving stock, so we got the single we were looking for, making just about $300 there. And the other stock, Charlotte's Web, CWBHF, got a beautiful push above threes, and we're holding this one as the cannabis sector looks like the momentum is going to continue over the weekend. So we decided to hold this as it got a very strong close up into the 320s. After making a higher day of 335, we're going to be setting ourselves up for success, looking for an early Money Monday bag in CWBHF, as we are already up $1,000+ and looking for it to continue more. So another great week in the book, snipers. If you don't follow us on social media, make sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, StockTwit, and LinkedIn. We got great info coming out daily. Also, if you are not subscribed below, hit the subscribe button below. I do this once a week, going over our week. Like I said, we just had 41 straight green weeks. Go check them out back in the past. Also, Stock Sniper Nick goes over a weekly watch list video every Tuesday night, reviewing our watch list and what we're looking for on Wednesday morning. And OPTI was actually on there, so make sure to go check it out. Also, Stock Sniper Alex is here to give you guys a tip that'll help you every day in the market, so make sure to not miss it and hit the subscribe button below. Also, if you are not following us on Profitly, make sure to check us out on there. You can see our whole trading journey on there, every win, every loss on profit.ly under the Stock Snipers. We just crossed 133K and it's just the beginning. Make sure to go check it out, fully transparent under the Stock Snipers. And last but not least, if you are not part of the team, we'd love for you guys to grab bags with us. That's why we do this. We got a full team of traders, from beginners all the way to advanced traders. Everybody is welcome. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We have some great stuff coming. Prices are actually going to be going up, so make sure to jump on it now before they go up and before the great content comes out to help all of us get rich together. Alright guys, another great week in the books. Another green week. Let's get this green streak started back up. Stock Sniper Mike, out!